everybody? It's your boy Moto. We're in the garage with it. Today we're gonna do a first startup, cold start, first start of the year on the bike. I already checked my gas. We got gas, even though my fuel filter seems to clog up on me a lot. I need to do a treatment on my fuel tank. I need to do a treatment on my fuel tank, so because there's my tank's getting old. The debris in the tank's clogging my fuel filter, stalls my bike out when I ride. But yeah, I'm gonna try to make this video quick. Get a little cold start. My bad if it's a little dark in here. I have the garage door closed and it's dark outside, winter time. It gets dark at 5 o'clock now, so I tried to get this video earlier, but your boy's been busy doing a lot of stuff, so I already got the gas checked. I'm about to just set the camera up. I'm gonna try to let it idle, warm up a little bit. Hope everybody's having a good day. Hope everybody's grinding, elevating, getting it in. Level up, get to the next step, hit that next goal, keep grinding. Let's get it. Let's get this cold start. I need to find a good spot to set the camera. Use my welding helmet box. I'll crack the garage open a little bit because it's going to be loud and exhaust smoke. And maybe I'll be able to back the camera up a little bit to get a little bit of a better view, so the camera's not so close. Let's get it. Fire this thing up. Oh, Gina crazy. I don't want to open it all the way. It's cold out there. It's about a cold 15 degrees right now, and it gets colder every minute. Turn the gas on. Used to have electric start, nothing more. Check my idle. Turn that up. My idle needle. Probably way too low. Cold too. Choke on. Forgot the choke was off. Shoes fired up now. It is not tuned for the winter, so plus I already have gas problems. That doesn't help. shut off on its own. You know I had to fire it back up. I can hear the echoing from down the street. This thing's so loud. I don't have my spark arrestor to make the muffler quieter. Pro tapers I put on there. Still need to put my other grip on. I only got one of my grips on. Oh, this thing's loud. I want to get a GoPro. Future goal. I want to get a GoPro so I can go riding. This thing's tiny, so it's fun to ride in the wintertime too. Go hit a parking lot and have some fun. It's super cold. But yeah, I just wanted to fire it up, let the gas run through the carburetor, let it warm up a little bit. First start of the year, folks. Sounded good. Ooh, made little G crazy there. Little G crazy got happy there. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Cut dog. Oh, hey, baby. Hey, baby, we'll see you. We'll see you over there. You next. You next. Don't worry, y'all. Cold stuff for the Cutlass coming soon, y'all. Y'all be tuned for that, man. Oh, yeah, it's cold out here. About 15 degrees, feel like 7. I got 2 jackets on. Fix the camera now. Got 2 jackets on. It's so cold out here, I got 2 jackets on. It feels all right with the 2 jackets. If I had some decent gloves, I'd go riding right now. Set the camera up, y'all go on a ride. But I can't, I got other priorities. Plus my headlight's messed up, so I don't have no headlight. I gotta fix that again. A better solution, because what I did was a cheap fix and it was just something quick to ride for the meantime. Now it doesn't work again, so now I need to fix it. But yeah, hope everybody's grinding, keep doing your thing, y'all. Yes sir, have a good day. Keep grinding, keep working hard. I'll see y'all. Peace.